Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about identifying good candidates as moderator. Let's get started. When your Facebook group grows with thousands of members, you might have a hard time in managing your group 24/7. You won't have all the time to keep an eye on what is happening inside your group. There will be times that you'll miss out on the engagement of the group members, so someone must be on the lookout for keeping the group organized, peaceful, and no member should violate the group rules that you have set. You will be needing another Facebook user's help to keep an eye on your group. You can take note that the right candidate for your group to assign as a moderator must be committed to adhering to the guidelines of your group. A moderator will be in charge of the daily operations of your Facebook group. You should be online for about a few hours to monitor your Facebook group. A moderator's responsibilities include approval of members, adding new members, responding to members' inquiries, sharing relevant content, and making sure that the rules are followed. Look for a candidate who is frequently online and active on your Facebook group. You can rely on people who are online most of their time, since you will need to assign a candidate who is always available whenever you're not around to monitor your Facebook group. Observe if that potential candidate spends most of their time online on Facebook every single day. Next, look out for a candidate who is actively engaging with the other members in the comments section. If you begin to notice a group member who is always giving out their opinion in the comment section, whether it's your post as an admin or a post from the other members, then it is a good sign to watch out for a potential moderator in your group. As an admin, you need to keep the engagement alive, and a good candidate as moderator should possess that quality as well. Next, look for a candidate who is willing to help out. You must require your group moderator to help out members whenever they need guidance or help. Since the group moderator will act on your behalf, they must be able to offer help within the community. A good candidate should be willing to accept the opinion of the other group members. A group member who is always active and engaging inside your group is one of the things that you should watch out for a good candidate. But they should also be willing to accept the opinion of the other group members as well. Actively engaging group members who often tend to start a debate with their fellow community members will not be a good candidate as a moderator for your group. Next, look for a responsible candidate. You can test out a potential candidate to be a moderator in your group for a limited time. You can gauge how responsible they are in handling the responsibilities of a group moderator. Observe how they respond to other members' comments and inquiries in your group's inbox. And if you require them to post content, give a quick review if they share valuable content that you expect them to share inside your group. Not anybody can comply with the responsibilities of a Facebook group moderator. So it is important to have a list of criteria that you require a good candidate as your moderator. When you find good moderators that you can rely on, your Facebook group will continue to grow and you will have a peaceful and organized community. Now that you know about identifying good candidates as moderator, we can now proceed to the next topic, adding a community manager. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.